Welcome to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today I will be making my favorite sugar-free amaretti cookies. So straight into the ingredients. I have 1 cup of egg whites at room temperature, and then I'm going to place that into a bowl and whisk with an electric mixer. Mix the egg whites until it forms soft peaks. Then I'm going to add half a cup of keto appropriate sugar. The type I use is a stevia and an erythritol mix. This is the type of mix which has worked well for me when making these types of cookies. And then I'm going to mix again. I whisked the mixture until it formed firm peaks. This is the desired mixture texture that we need. Then I'm going to add a drop of almond essence, and then a pinch of baking powder, and then I am going to gently fold these additions into the egg whites. After, I am slowly going to add 2 cups almond flour, little by little. I am going to gently fold in the almond flour into the mixture. After folding, I am adding the rest of the first cup. After gently mixing in the first cup of the almond flour, I am now adding, little by little, the second cup of the almond flour. Now I'm going to gently add the rest of the second cup of the almond flour and gently mix in again. This is the desired texture that we need for our cookies. I am going to use a baking tray with some baking parchment paper. For a uniform size of the cookies, I am using an ice cream scoop to place some of the mixture onto the baking tray. Then I can decorate the cookies with some almonds. Then I'm going to place into the oven at 160 Celsius. An important note that after 5 minutes in the oven, I am going to gently pat over each of the cookies with some water. Here is a look at our cookies at around 15 minutes after I patted them with water. I am going to leave them in the oven for a little more, and then let's look at them when they are ready and they are golden brown colour. After around 45 minutes, I took out the cookies. They are a nice golden brown colour. I am now going to let them cool down for a bit. Our sugar-free keto amaretti cookies are now ready. On top we have that lovely crunchy texture, and inside it's nice and chewy. Any questions, please let me know, and until next time.